Once upon a time, there was a young couple named Alex and Maya. They had been together for a few months, and their love for each other had grown stronger every day. One evening, Alex decided to surprise Maya with a romantic dinner. He spent the whole day preparing her favorite meal and decorating his apartment with candles and flowers. When Maya arrived, she was stunned by how beautiful everything looked. As they sat down to eat, Alex took Maya's hand and told her how much he loved her. He said that he had never felt this way about anyone before and that he couldn't imagine spending his life with anyone else. Maya was moved by Alex's words and felt her heart fill with warmth. She told him that she loved him too, and that she knew in her heart that they were meant to be together. After dinner, they slow danced to their favorite love songs, holding each other tightly as the music played. As the night wore on, they talked about their hopes and dreams for the future, knowing that they were both committed to making a life together. Finally, as the evening came to a close, Alex took Maya's hand and led her out onto the balcony. They gazed up at the stars, feeling grateful for each other's love and the happiness they had found together. In that moment, they both knew that they were meant to be together forever, and they promised to cherish each other always. As they held each other close, they knew that they had found true love in each other's arms.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.